Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2010 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray 3LT in cyber metallic on black leather interior. So I'll just start over here at the back for you. So this one comes with two removable tops. So here's the cyber gray metallic top that's in the back. It does flip up. Here, let me just pull. There we go. So you can store some things under there. We've got a storage pocket down here, storage pocket there, emergency releases for the electronic door releases, and then up here we've got a privacy cover as well. So if you don't have that top in there and you have some things you want to hide, with this closed, that will hide that for you. So we've got the nice spoiler on the back. We've got the quad tip NPP performance exhaust, so you can see the dampers there just above the tailpipes. So those will open and close on their own based on RPM and different things like that. When they are open, they will add a more aggressive sound to the exhaust for you. So very cool. And as you can see, it's a very neat color. It's got almost like a pearl to it. Very, very cool. The paint is, as you can see, it's in very good shape as well. And here's your first wheel. So no curb rash, no issues, nice chrome wheels and Michelin tires on the back there. The previous owners added some side skirts here, so we've got carbon flash metallic. Try to get close on that for you so you can see the color. There we go. Yeah, so it's got the carbon flash metallic side skirts that he's installed aftermarket. We've got the nice Corvette kick plate there. On the passenger door, we've got a custom Corvette armrest with logo there, which is very cool. Power windows, power locks, Bose sound system as well. As I get in, just have a look in the door frame. Nice and clean, looks good. And in the glove box here, we do have the set of books, and we've got the wheel lock key as well in there. So that's perfect, that's all there for you. He's got some custom, almost carbon fiber-like material in the Corvette logo there for you. So that looks great. And we've got the WeatherTech factory fit floor mats as well there. And then just so you can see, power seats and power lumbar and side bolster. And the seat, as you can see, is in very good condition. Looks great. So I'll just close this up and let you have a look down the side. There's the paint, looks great. And here's the front wheel. So again, no curb rash, no issues, and nice Michelin tires. And then under the hood, we've got the LS3, 6.2 liter, 430 horsepower engine. So lots of power paired to that 6-speed manual transmission. And as you can see, it's very clean under here as well. Everything looks great. So we'll just close this up and we'll have a look from the front. So to match the side skirts, as you can see, we've got the nice custom front lip there. Looks great, it's in great condition. Wow, I really like the paint. I don't know if you can see the kind of pearly effect that it has, but very, very cool. Cyber gray metallic. In terms of issues, not much to report. It's a very clean car. I do not see anything here on the front. Oh, what's this? A little minor mark. It might even be above the paint. So we'll take a look and see what we can do with that. But outside of that, very, very clean car. And then here's your front wheel. So again, no curb rash, no issues, nice Michelin tires. And same thing on the back there for you. Okay, and driver's side. So again, we've got the custom Corvette logo armrest there. We've got memory seats. We got power windows, power locks, and that Bose sound system. Nice Corvette kick plate there for you. Power seats with lumbar and side bolster adjustment. There's the driver's seat just so you can see. And I'll have a look up the top for you so you can see. So there's the transparent roof. So again, we have the two panels, so you can put whichever one you prefer in, or you can have the unit completely removed, like a targa top. So very, very cool. And as I get in here, just have a look in the door frame. Again, nice and clean, looks great. And let's get in and fire this one up. All right. lights on. In terms of kilometers, we've got 68,249 kilometers on it. Let's see, we've got heads-up display. I don't know if you can see that, but it's got heads up. And on the left there's the controls for the heads-up display. So you can change page and it will display different items on the windshield there for you. There we go. So that's that. We've got automatic headlights, we've got cruise control over here, we've got fog lights at the front, voice control and telephone control, end call, and then over here we've got volume, we've got channel and our favorites, and then let's see, push button start, wiper control, information controls, and then over here we've got factory nav. So there's your factory nav, and if we go back to source, there's your AM, FM, XM, and CD. And if I hit this, this opens. There's your CD player, and there's your nav DVD goes in there. And then just down here, we've got heated seats, and then we've got dual zone climate control as well. We've got the cup holder and 6-speed manual transmission, traction control off. This at one point did have selective ride. It no longer has selective ride. It's been programmed out of the vehicle, and the shocks have been replaced with Bilstein new shocks. So rides like a dream, but I do want to let you know that that is not active anymore. In the center console, we do have the 12-volt socket here, so that's there, and it's got the nice Corvette logo on there as well. So we'll just hop out with it running and let you have a listen. Alright. There it is from the front with the nice HID headlights. Looks good. And I'll just run around the car for you to have a look. There it is from the back, nice chunk to it. And again, those are the dampers closed right now, so that's the quieter mode. As I mentioned, they will automatically open based on RPM and driving, so it does get louder. And there you have it, folks, 2010 Chevrolet Corvette 3LT. In cyber gray metallic, here and available at monroemotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.